I've got BLUBOO Xtouch, and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So at the very beginning, open the settings, then scroll down, find and select language and input. And now go to the first tab, which is language. And now from the options included on this list, you can pick the language that you would like to have. So let me pick, for example, Filipino. And as you can see from now on, your device is in Filipino. So everything, also the apps, are in this setup language. And if you'd like to go back to the previous one or change it one more time, just find this icon, the word icon, then go to the first tab, and now you can pick the preferable language. So I will select English UK. And that's it. As you can see, now we are back in English. So that's it. This is how you can change easily your language. Do it as often as you want to and whenever you need to. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.